Well, hello everybody. Today we're in the beautiful Cotswolds town of Tetbury. It's stunningly beautiful, and there's a possibility that we might meet the king, but you have to keep watching. I'll let you know. This pub is called the Ormond at Tetbury. The Ormond. We've just stuck here for a cheeky glass of wine. Before we start the vlog, watch this. Just for a cheeky glass of wine. Tell me what you think in the comments if you like this. This is beautiful. Again, another lovely day in the Cotswolds. That glass of wine was delicious. So just going to sit here for a little while in this beautiful sunshine, and then I will take you around Tetbury. This is just the most, just the most idyllic setting. So Jeremy Clarkson's beers here, look. Now, the reason that I thought we might be seeing the king is that he's got a Highgrove shop over there. Highgrove. Let's go and see if the king's in. Let's go and see. No, unfortunately, just an old person's scooter. But yeah, Highgrove. There's a shop in there. We're going to go in now and have a little mooch. So we're going to go and have a little mooch. So bear with me. Here we are. This is the main Highgrove. Not Highgrove. This is the main Tetbury Cotswold town. Beautiful. It's just lovely. I know I call everything beautiful, but my cup is always half full. That's the sort of person I am. My cup's always half full. Look at this in this shop window here. Wow. I don't know about you, but I could do with another glass of wine. It's so beautiful. Snooty fox. Nice bakeries and cake shops. Beautiful produce here. So we are at the Cotswold Distillery. Look at this. Look at this. When you're in Tetbury, come to the Cotswold Distillery. Wow.
This is like a house on your block now.
I want you to tell me what you've just told me about the picnics. It's so good. Tell me about the picnics.
So I have a pair of pygmy goats who live in a little castle in my garden. We take them out on picnics for people.
This lady is absolutely ace. Thank you for that information.
Thank you.
Wow. This is something else. It almost looks like a cathedral, but it isn't. But it looks like it could be, doesn't it? Incredible. That is my son playing that piano. Isn't that gorgeous? He doesn't want to be videoed, but that is my son playing the piano. Right, so I'm going to say goodbye to you. We're going back up to that gorgeous coffee shop that had all those lovely cakes and foliage and that for a coffee. So we are going to do that and just have some quality time with my son. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog and catch you soon. Bye.